Here in the I button and in description box below, you will get complete playlist of set theory. Welcome to video number 2, and in this video we are going to learn in detail that is what is a roster form and what is a set builder form. Okay, before I start this video, I would request you to subscribe to my channel, and if you learn something from my videos, then please hit the like button and do share the playlist of this chapter with your friends. Okay, in this way only you can support me, and I need your support, and it is just a request. So let us start. What is a roster form? This roster form is also known as tabulation form, or you can say tabular form. Okay, roster form is also known as tabulation form, or in other words you can say that is tabular form. What is this? In this, the elements of a set are listed within a pair of brackets. Okay, this bracket is you can say braces, or you can say curly bracket. Okay, and are separated by commas. If you've seen my first video, that is video number 1 of this is video number 2. If you have seen my first video, I have given one example, that is a equals to a, b, c, or whatever. Okay, that was the roster form. Okay, that was the roster form. In that, the elements of a set are listed within a pair of bracket and are separated by commas. Okay, yes. Let us see some of the examples. Let n denote the set of first 3 natural numbers. Okay, what is natural number? The important thing is what is natural number. Yes, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and so on. These all are natural numbers. If you include 0 in this natural number, that will become whole number. Okay, because whole number starts from 0 to yes and so on, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on. Yes, or in other words, if you say my positive integers, okay, positive integers are also yes, that is natural numbers, that is 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on. So let n denote the set of first 3 natural number, that is it is saying 1, 2, 3. Okay, here you can see all the elements, that is we have 3 elements, and these 3 elements are separated by commas and yes, and listed within a pair of bracket. Okay, these are known as curly bracket or braces. Okay, yes. Now we will take the second example. Yes, yes. Let V denote the set of all the vowels of English alphabet. I believe that you know about vowels, that is A, E, I, O, U. These are 5 vowels in English alphabet. Okay, let V denote the set of all the vowels, then V equals to A, E, I, O, U. All these 5 elements are separated by commas and listed within this curly bracket or braces. Okay, let us take one more example, that is let A be a set of all letters in the word book. Here we have a word, that is B double OK. If you want to write set A, then it is B OK. Okay, why B OK? Why not B double OK? Yes, because the elements cannot be repeated. Okay, if the elements are repeated in a set, okay, then we will consider that as single element. Okay, yes. So here set A becomes curly bracket B comma O comma K. Okay, now there is an important point that you should know. Okay, very important point. That is, the order in which the elements are listed is immaterial, but elements must not be repeated. Okay, the order in which the elements are listed is immaterial, but elements must not be repeated. Yes, the order in which the elements are listed is immaterial. It means in place of B, O, K, okay, B comma O comma K, if I have written K comma B comma O, that is also correct for this set A. Okay, yes, it means the sequence in which I have written this is not important. Okay, you can change the sequence of this set A. Okay, yes, but the set will not change. But elements must not be repeated. Here O is repeated, but I have used O in only single time. Okay, that is single, that is B, OK. So the order in which the elements are listed is immaterial, but the elements must not be repeated. Now we will see what is a set builder form. A rule or a formula or a statement is written within a pair of brackets so that the set is well defined. Okay, yes. All the elements of set must possess a single property to become the member of that set. Okay, yes. A rule, a formula or a statement is written within a pair of bracket. Within this pair of bracket, we can write a rule or a formula or a statement, okay, so that the set is well defined, so that the set will be well defined. All the elements of the set must possess a single property, okay. Yes, the elements in this set must possess a single property so that it becomes a member of that set, okay. Yes, let us take one example. Here we have a set P, okay, that is the elements of this set P is 1 2 3 4 5, okay. Yes, if you closely observe, then this is what, this is the roster form, okay, this is a roster form. Now this 1 2 3 4 5, either we can say that is a positive integer, or we can say these all are natural numbers, okay, up to 5. So we can write this roster form in set builder form as P equals to, yes, in this curly bracket we need to write something, okay. Yes, here we have X, okay, X. Here we have a vertical line. Here we need to place a vertical line, or in place of vertical line you can also place this, okay, double dot, that is, this is what, this is colon, okay. In English you have seen this, that is a colon, okay. Either we will use a vertical line or we can use a colon, okay. Yes, and this in mathematical term, this is termed as such that, okay, this vertical line is termed as such that, okay. Yes, so set P is X such that X belongs to, yes, this epsilon is known as belongs to, okay. Yes, X belongs to natural number and X is less than equals to 5, okay. Yes, since the natural number starts from 1 and it is saying it is more than, so it is less than or equals to 5, so 1 2 3 4 5, and these are what, these all are my natural numbers. So we can say this set builder form, okay, of this set P as P is what, P is a set of element X, P is a set of element X such that X belongs to natural numbers, okay, natural number, and X is less than equals to 5, okay. I hope that you have learned something from this video. Please hit the like button and do share the playlist of the chapter with your friends. Thank you so much.